Hello students, we are doing chapter number 6 operation on sets exercise 6. In last video we have done till question number 2 and now we are starting from question number 3. If a is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x is more than 3 less than 7 and b is equal to x such that x belongs to whole number and x is less than equal to 4, then we have to find a union b, a intersection b, a difference b and b difference a. So first step we will change this a and b into roster form. So a condition is given, a is a natural number which is more than 3. So more than 3 means we will start from 4, 5 and 6 and the value of x is less than 7. Less than 7 we will stop here till 6 only. And b also similarly we will change into roster form. X says that x belongs to whole number. So here x is a whole number and which is equal to 4. So whole number start from 0 and then we have to go till 4. Now after changing to the roster form, now we will find out A union B. A union B means the combination of A and B together. So first write A, 4, 5 and 6. Then start writing B, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 already we have written, so no need to repeat it. So A union B is 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3. You can write in order also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or like this also. Second part we have to find out A intersection B. A intersection B means the which number is common in A and B. So we will start from the first set A. See here first 4 number is there. So 4 we will check whether 4 is in B. Yes. So 4 is in B also. We will write 4 here. Similarly next number 5 we will check 5 is in A but 5 is not in B. So we will not write 5. Then we will go for the next number 6. 6 is in A but it is not in B. So only one number 4 is in both A and B. So A intersection B is 4. Third part we have to find out A difference B. So first we will write A and from A we will scratch out the elements which are in 4 B. So first 4, you can see 4 is there in B, so we will scratch out. Then 5 is not in B and 6 is also not in B. So answer is here 5 and 6. Fourth part we have to find out B difference A. So now we will write the set B first, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will check whether elements of B A we have to scratch out from here. So 4 is in A, we will scratch out. Next 5, this is not here and 6 is also not here. So only 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is our answer. Next question number 4. If P is equal to x such that x belongs to whole number and x is less than 6, Q is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x is greater than equal to 4 less than 9. Find P union Q, P intersection Q, P difference Q and Q difference P. And we have to tell this also, is P union Q a proper subset of P intersection Q? Proper superset of P intersection Q. So first these two sets we will change into the roster form. P is a whole number start from 0 and we have to take less than 6. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 5 we will take. Second Q set, here x belongs to natural number and greater than equal to 4. It means we have to start from 4 and less than 9 means till 8 we have to go. So 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After changing into roster form, now we will find out P union Q. Means the combination of P and Q together. So first we will write P, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will start writing the elements of Q. 4 already repeated, so no need to write. 5 also it is repeated, no need to write. So we'll start from 6, 7 and 8. Second part, we have to find out P intersection Q. So only the common elements in P and Q. So you can see this 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Only these two elements are common in P and Q. So answer will be here 4, 5. Third, we have P difference Q. So P difference Q means first write P and then less the elements of Q. So 4 and 5 we have to remove. So remaining 0, 1, 2 and 3 is P difference Q. Next, fourth part, we have to find out Q difference P. So first we will write Q, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then which all elements are coming in P, that we have to remove. So 4 is in P and 5 is also in P. So remaining 6, 7, 8 is our answer. Next they ask, is P union Q a proper superset of P intersection Q? So you can see here P intersection Q is equal to 4 and 5, two elements are there, and in P union Q we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements are there. So all the elements of P intersection Q are in P union Q also. It means this set P intersection Q is a subset of P union Q, proper subset of P union Q. Proper means it should not be equal. So you can see here only 4 and 5 and here 9 elements are there. So these two are not equal. It should not be equal, then we will use the proper word. This is the subset of this set. It means this is superset. This is subset and this is the superset. So we can write yes, P union Q is a proper superset of P intersection Q. Next, question number 5. If A equal to letters of word integrity and B equal to letters of word reconging, find A union B, A intersection B, A difference B and B difference A. And we have to verify these equation also. So first we will change this A and B into roster form. Letters of word integrity. So I, N, T, E, G, R, I already we have written, so we will not write again. T also, then Y. So how many elements are there in A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So cardinal number of A is 7. We will write parallelly cardinal number also because we need here for this verification. Second, B is the word of recocking. So R, E, C, K, O, N, I, N already we have written, then G. And cardinal number of B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now first we have to find out A union B. So A union B means the combination of A and B. So first we will write A, I, N, T, E, G, R, Y. Now R already it is written, so we will not write. E also written. C is not repeated, so C we will write. Then K also not there. O is not there. N is there. I also there. And G is also there. So till here we will write. And cardinal number of A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. second part we have to find out A intersection B. So which all are the common elements in A and B. So you can see I is there in both, then N is also there, T here it is there but down it is not there, then E it is there, G also is there, and R also is there. So we have 5 elements in common. So N A intersection B is 5. Third, we have to find out A difference B. A difference B means from A we have to remove the elements of B. So first write A, 1 I N T E G R Y, and remove the common element. So I is there in B, N is also there in B, E is also there, G is also there, R is also there. So only T and Y is remaining. The cardinal number of A minus A difference B is 2. Fourth, we have to find out B difference A. So write B, and scratch out the elements of A which all are in A. So R is there, E is there, then N is there, I is there, and G is there. So C, K and O are left over. So cardinal number of B difference A is 3. Now we will start verification. First part we have to verify N A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So before equal to, this is the left side and this is right side. So left side first we will calculate NA union B. Cardinal number of A union B already we have find out, that is 10. Now right side NA is 7, NB was 8 minus NA intersection B which is 5. So 7 plus 8 15, 15 minus 5 is 10. So you can see left side is equal to right side. Both sides are coming same. So we can write hence verified. Second part we have to verify NA minus B is equal to NA union B minus NB equal to NA minus NA intersection B. So this we can say left side, this is middle side, and this is right side. 3 sides we have. So one by one we will find out all the sides. So first left hand side, NA difference B. NA difference B, the cardinal number of A difference B we got 2. Now middle side we have NA union B minus NB. A union B was 10 and NB was 8. So 10 minus 8, 2. Now right side NA minus NA intersection B. NA was 7 and A intersection B we got 5. 7 minus 5, 2. So here we got left side is equal to middle side equal to right hand side. Hence it is verified. Next C part we have to verify cardinal number of B minus A is equal to NA union B minus NA equal to NB minus NA intersection B. So like B part only we have to do this one. This we will take as left side, middle side and right side. So left side we have NB minus A. So cardinal number of B difference A was 3. Now middle side NA union B minus NA. A union B was 10 and A was 7. So 10 minus 7, 3. Then right side, NB minus NA intersection B. Cardinal number of B was 8 and intersection B was 5. So 3. Again all the three sides we got same. Left hand side is equal to middle side equal to right hand side. Hence it is verified. D part we have to verify N A union B is equal to N A difference B plus N B difference A plus N A intersection B. So here we have only two sides. So first left side we will find out N A union B. A union B was 10. Now right side N A difference B plus N B difference A plus N A intersection B. So A difference B we got 2, B difference A we got 3 and common elements was 5. So 2 plus 3 5 and 5 plus 5 10. So we got left side is equal to right side, hence verified. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.